The 4 ball. Hit! The Fritzl, guarded by Greenberg. Fritzl steps back for 4. Deep. Stop. The green, that's a 3. Hit! BTB taking on Clem's Grace Fritzl with the. I have no idea. I think we'll just executive it. Fritzl inside, throws it down. Fritzl inside, backing down Harden. Lays it in and it's good.
Grayson is 3 for 3 right now. They need a reliable guy.
Yeah. Harden's struggling. But he hits the 4 there. Rockets defense. Oh, drops it off. Oh, blocked.
Help side. Grayson's that. I'm gonna go ask him.
Hop step. Ooh, no. Drop down. What it called? Steps back for 4. Hits. Being a taller guard, he has this ability.
He's really as tall as the best bigs in the league. 20 seconds.
Floats it up and it's good. Damn, that's so tough. Harden for 4. It's good.
Regular season awards.
Yeah. Blocked by Fritzl. And he grabs the rebound.
Stats are
Cole for 4. No good. Oh, rebound first. Oh!
Andy. Right there.
Go back!
Lobs it up to him. Oh my! No good. Rebound David. Runner for 3.
That's his
He
shot.
doesn't miss that. Goes inside. Hop steps. Blocked by Ferguson. Cole gets the rebound. Down. Oh, the ball move is impeccable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're the best of 5. So I mean, well, man, stolen by Greeny, who lays it in.
Let's go.
Back cut.
Cut!
Out.
Blocked by Greeny. Oh.
Back cut.
Cole blocked by David.
Call.
Greeny sets back into David. Over to Brunner. Just the 3. Good. Out to Brunner. Fakes. Runner. Oh, David. Hold up. Lays it. Stolen by Isaiah. Aaron for 3. It's good. BTB lead here in the 3rd. Isaiah. Fritzl for 4. He hits. Gives a little Jordan
game.
shrug.
You taught me they're up 7 points.
Lays it in. Other side's no good. Boda with the rebound. Missed the lay though.
Go back underneath.
Defense with the bloody nose.
Well, there's bloody out of the game.
Yeah, it is a fact. Cole for 4. Bang. Hits it. Down to Boda.
Go. Put it up.
There we go.
Shoot.
Tyler or whatever his name is.
Post him up.
Tyler Hero.
Out.
Ferguson lays it in.
That should not have been a tech.
Boda! Miss! It falls though! Both teams have, everyone's about 6 foot or taller.
You're down 5.
It's a 5-point game. Fritzl wide open for 4. Bang. Makes it 9. Nope. That's
Such a big person. What would Reese out do in that situation, Greeny?
take him out. Oh, but Greeny gets it right back.
The hustle play.
Greeny was not looking up though. Have Boda. Greeny for 3. Big shot. It's bottom. Hello.
340.
Yes!
Stolen by Greeny. Down to David. Oh my goodness! 3:24 left in game 1. Fritzl inside. Block, but it still goes in.
4-point game.
Floats it up, and it falls. Greenberg makes it a
42
2-point
to
game.
40. BTB.
Fritzl wide open.
Oh, tip.
David got a tip. Rebound Cole, but it falls. 4-point game. Point game?
Yes.
No 4-point game.
Minute left.
Blocked by Cole. Fritzl at the 3-point line. Let me shoot it. Pulls the 3. It's short.
50 seconds left. You're down 4.
50 seconds left. Down 4.
You both have 3 timeouts.
Greeny for 3. Big shot. Bang! Greeny makes it 1.
38 seconds.
Pressure. 5 seconds violation.
Oh, back to Fritzl. Big shot to make it 5. He missed. Rebound Boda.
Timeout.
Timeout is called.
Can you see?
1-point game, 12.5 seconds left here in game 1 of the championship.
Clamps, you are down by 1 point.
Yeah,
On the
we're ready.
passing.
Right when you pass it in.
On the passing.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8,
Greeny for 3.
7,
No good. He gets a rebound though.
5, 4,
Blocked by Cole.
3, 2, 1.
That stays theirs. That stays theirs.
Their team's on the court.
We're
You
having
can give them
Aaron
the ball.
inbound? I thought that's me who would shoot. Oh no, he was slow.
If this
It's tipped.
That's it.